Hold up. Google DeepMind just threw down a game changer. They may have given ChatGPT, yet that brain model we've been playing with, the power to think. It's like you see ChatGPT spit out some mind blowing stuff and you think it's a genius, right? But you ask it something that's a bit more than what's the weather like, and it stumbles a little bit. Its way of predicting stuff isn't up to scratch for the heavy lifting, but this new development is making waves, all thanks to how we use prompts. So when we're using ChatGPT, we feed it a prompt and then wait for the response. You want to learn how to code, you drop something like how to code or please teach me how to code. Those are the basic prompts that people ask. Pretty vanilla. You feel me? You understand? But then there's chain of thought, the next level stuff. That's the next level to the very basics. And here we drop some midway thoughts between input and output. Just tell it to take it step by step or provide an example. This helps GPT create a link, a thought bridge between your request and the response. It's cool, but it can mess up along the way and the output could be a disaster. Next up is what's called chain of thoughts, self-consistency. Here, ChatGPT makes a few thought chains and then plays a round of like AI Survivor to pick the best. It's better, but still kind of old school. You understand? But here's the big deal. It's the train of thoughts. It lets the model make decisions, anticipate next moves, and even pull a U-turn when it needs to. For us, problem solving is step by step, right? If you hit a wall, you back up and try another path. The tree of thoughts is the only prompt technique that can do this. Now, this is how it goes down in 4 basic steps. All right, here we go. 1, thought. It's like a mind map. You break down ideas into manageable bites, arrange them by importance. It's just breaking and organizing, no real thought yet. 2, thought generation. Next up, the model starts brainstorming. It pumps out potential ideas that might lead to an answer. It's like partial solutions to your problem based on what the model understands about it. 3, state evaluation. Now the model plays judge. It checks out these partial solutions and decides how useful they might be. This helps GPT decide which to explore further. 4, search algorithm. Finally, GPT decides the order to explore these partial solutions based on their usefulness. Different search algorithms can be used depending on the problem and how complex it is. To showcase this new model, they picked 3 tasks that even GPT-4 can handle. A mathematical game of 24, creative writing based on full random sentences, and a mini crossword puzzle. The results? The tree of thoughts nailed them all with much higher success rates compared to the other methods. So yeah, this model doesn't just try and fail. It explores, it explores multiple options, reassesses, and makes informed decisions. It's a real problem solver, taking into account the entire problem before it makes a move. It's cool, right? This is just a real basic breakdown on how to get the most out of ChatGPT. For a more in-depth look into the tree of thought formula, send me a message for more. Also, if you like this video, drop me a like and subscribe. And really pay attention to what I said to you today and you kind of forecast on where we're heading. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.